Start.
Thank you, sir. Purnima ma'am, we can start now.
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Distinguished speakers, Director Dr. Jyotsna Singh, heads of the departments, faculties, participants, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Purnima Lala Mehta, and I shall be the Master of Ceremony on the day one of the FTP. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all and chair the inaugural ceremony this morning to the 5-day online AICTE Atal Faculty Development Program on Research and Technologies of Artificial Intelligence, organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IILM College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. Technology has always played a major role in scientific breakthroughs, and artificial intelligence is expected to take it a step further and raise the bar of scientific research to new levels. Many everyday influences of artificial intelligence are altering the way our daily lives look. To begin with the event, I would like to call upon Dr. Jyotsna Singh, Director, IILM College of Engineering and Technology, for the inaugural address. Over to you, Jyotsna ma'am.
Thank you, Purnima, and thank you, everyone. On behalf of IILM family, I warmly welcome all the esteemed speakers and faculty participants from distinguished institutions on this forum of FDP entitled Research and Technologies of AI. This FDP is a key initiative of Department of Computer Science and Engineering to train faculties and provide insights into the recent development in the area of artificial intelligence. I would also like to acknowledge and thank AICTE for funding this FDP and providing us the opportunity to conduct this and to share our knowledge base. In past few years, we have seen that automation has become the integral part of AI. In a recent report, McKinsey and Company mentioned that artificial intelligence alongside automation are going to revolutionize the businesses. These two are also going to transform the type and nature of work and also going to address collective challenges in environment and healthcare. Machines are going to perform extraordinary tasks beyond the imagination of a human. These are also going to complement and enhance the work performed by humans. Report also says that as a result of this, many occupations will face transformational changes. Some will grow and some will decline. While we believe that there will be enough work to move around, barring extreme scenarios, society will have to undergo with significant workforce transitions and dislocations. Workers will have to acquire new skill set and adapt to the increasingly capable machines alongside with them within the workplace. They will need to move from declining occupations to growing ones, and in some cases, new occupations. This briefing note, which pulls on the newest research from the McKinsey Global Institute, examines both the promises and the challenges of automation and AI within the workplace and describe a number of critical issues that policymakers, companies, and individuals will have to work on and solve these issues. This is the right time in the education industry also to look into the scenarios where AI is taking over certain fields, and we have to look into introducing new areas in different branches of engineering. There are few branches which are slowly dying down, hence change in the curriculum is required. But by not closing those branches but introducing new streams, new topics, and amalgamation of AI in those streams. Our past few months also have been very challenging for education industry, but simultaneously it brought revolution. Today's FDP is one of the examples of such revolutions that we are attending it from remote locations. Before moving ahead with the program, I would like to briefly introduce and talk about ILM as a brand. ILM Engineering College is a benchmark of best quality education in the domain of engineering and management for more than a decade. Our vision is to provide education based on ethical values and responsible outlook that include visionary thinking, industry-oriented skills, entrepreneurial outlook, and fostering creative thinking. Our students have brought accolades for the institute at national and international levels. We believe in the persistent accentuation of the skill set of our faculty members. Recently, we have organized 2 consecutive FDPs during lockdown, which brought the participation of approximately 5,000 faculty members from national and international institutions. Apart from academics, we strongly focus on developing the research and technical skills of our students as well as faculty members. We have funded projects from renowned institutions like SERB, AKTU, UPCST, DST, etc. We have also trained over 1,500 students on latest technologies in last 6 months. We have MHRD Innovation Cell established at our institution, which promotes high quality student projects, startups, and innovations. Within two years of establishment, our innovation cell has been ranked in the top 50 MHRD ISE across the country. Apart from this, we strongly believe and we continuously strive to keep pace with the technological advancement by organizing hands-on sessions, faculty development programs, workshops, expert lectures, industry visits, joint industry projects, hackathon, and project exhibitions, etc. We also promote interdisciplinary research and project work so that students and faculties get to learn beyond boundaries. This FDP is one of those key initiatives. The topic is of interest of everybody. AI is not a new term. We all know that. This term was coined by John McCarthy in 1955, and AI as a field started in 1956 after he organized the Dartmouth Conference. This label AI means different to everybody. For me, AI is a tool for making things smart. For few, AI is magic, but for mathematicians, it's just mathematics. Recent development in the area has revolutionized almost all the domains like agriculture, healthcare, education, finance, marketing, management, etc. In our FDP, you will get the opportunity to learn about latest research and technologies of AI in almost all the areas I just mentioned. I'm honored that speakers from varied domains, education and industry, are joining us to deliver sessions in this FDP. I thank all the speakers in advance for their valuable inputs and time. I wish this FDP a huge success, and I hope that this FDP will prove as a trendsetter for promoting research, innovation, and addressing the challenges in education industry. All the best team FDP, Dr. Hemlata, Dr. Anuradha, and other team members. Thank you everyone and welcome once again.
Thank you for your inaugural address, ma'am. May I now call upon Dr. Hemlata Bhatt, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, for the welcome address. Over to you, Hemlata ma'am.
Thank you, Purnima. And good morning to everyone and those who are present here in this FGP. And we are very happy to be able to welcome all of you. ILM College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida is one of the biggest brand in the education sector. Yes, Dr. Jyotsna ma'am has already described about the ILM. Department of CSC is the NBA accredited department and one of the biggest, largest strengthened department of in the college, strengthened in students and faculty members. Department always promote on quality education and research. We time to time organize research-based seminar, FDP, conference to motivate our young students and faculty members. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the speakers who will be present and who will be contribute their knowledge in this platform. And I would like to express my thanks to our visionary director, Dr. Jyotsna Singh ma'am, her continuous support and guidance. Dear participants, technology has become a key to success on different sectors. The importance of research is not hidden and it is necessary for everyone in today's world. In the present technology era, various modes have initiated and inspired us to seek a research in all possible levels. The government is also taking initiates and coming forward to provide the funding in the area of research. Fast implementation, improve quality of digital infrastructure and inexpensive broadband services across the country will help facilitate to us of innovative in the area of education and research. To promote the awareness of cutting edge technology like in AI, it is a platform that brings experts from industry and academia together and share their point of view on the topic research and technology of AI. I hope you people will learn in upcoming sessions, 5 days FDP, and every session. Thanks to everyone, every participants, every organizers, and my team also. And thank you so much and happy learning. Thank you, Purnima.
Thank you for a welcome address, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon the coordinator of the FDP, Dr. Anuradha Konidena, to brief about the FDP to all the participants. Dr. Konidena.
Good morning, all. Artificial intelligence has affected human lives significantly, be it agriculture, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, banking, finance, and education. So, to be at pace with this trending technology, this FDP will mainly focus on techniques of AI, machine learning, computer vision, NLP, big data, and data analytics. Hands-on practice will also be provided like Python, LabVIEW, Microsoft Builder. So outcomes of this FDP will be to empower teaching and learning process with focus on fundamentals of AI, to impart knowledge of artificial intelligence with the help of case studies and futuristic applications, to familiarize with AI enabling technologies, to foster research and innovation, to develop ability to understand and build applications of AI. And now, rules to be observed during this FDP are: attendance will be monitored through the Microsoft Teams. Each participant should ensure 80% attendance. There will be a test at the end of the FDP, that is on 22nd, and it is a mandatory test, and each participant should secure 60% of the marks. And each participant will be receiving a feedback link in their portal. Each participant has to fill that feedback link, and after satisfying all these three criteria, participant will get e-certificate from the Atal portal itself. Happy learning and thank you. Thank you, Purnima ma'am. Thank you, Jyotsna ma'am. Thank you, Hemlata ma'am, and all my team members. Thank you so much. Over to you, Purnima ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Should we wait for 10 o'clock for the participants to join and we'll start right at 10 o'clock? Okay, so we'll wait for a few minutes. We have a speaker already joined for the session. We'll wait for more participants to join.
If the time is 10 o'clock, so I think we should wait and we should start at 10.
Right, ma'am. Okay, so participants, we'll start at 10 a.m. sharp. Dear participants, please stay connected. We'll be starting the session right